All right, everybody. So this is the new project. As you know, we had the Integra, so we built the motor. I ended up finding this, and it is an all-wheel drive manual transmission, but the motor is blown. So we are going to go ahead and tear this thing out and then send the transmission to get the LSD installed and do all the gears so that way they're nice, fresh, and happy. And that way, once we put the Integra motor into this guy, we'll then turbocharge it instead, and then we'll probably end up selling the Integra shell unless we can find another motor to put in there. So this one is the all-wheel drive. That is the EX model. So it was originally going to be my son's car, but he went a different route and got one that was already up and running. So pretty excited. We'll have to get it all cleaned up and get it ready to go. But this will be the new project, so stay tuned.